Guys, good morning. Welcome back to Happy Mummy Vlogs. So guys, today's video is going to be a Nykaa shopping haul which is about my birthday shopping, and I'm going to tell you what I bought from Nykaa and what they have sent me as a birthday gift. So let's start the video. If you like this video also, please tap on the like button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notification about my channel. So guys, as it's about my birthday shopping, so I bought so many things for me, and let's see what I got. And the first thing I bought from Nykaa, that is the Body Shop British Rose Gel Body Scrub, and this is the whole packaging. This is so pretty, which has 250 ml quantity, and I paid $11.95 for this one, as this one is a gel body scrub, so I guess this is going to be so perfect for my skin, and I'm so excited to use this one, and I will tell you how's the response. So let's move to next one. Next thing, I bought a foot spa cream from Dreamworks, and this is the packaging, and packaging is so cute. I bought this product because of this cute packaging, but I'm using this one since 2 days, and I can say this product is amazing, and this is a very mild and relaxing foot cream, so I can say definitely every girl must buy this one. And after discount, I paid 200 rupees for this one, which is not that bad, and this product has all the organic ingredients, even shea butter and honey, so I can say this is a very good one. And I paid 290 rupees for this product, which is not that bad as per its quality. So let's see what is the next. And next thing, I bought the Garnier Micellar cleansing water, which is really good. I'm using this cleanser since a very long time. I can say definitely this is a very good cleanser, and this is able to remove all kind of makeup. So from my side, 5-star goes to this product. And quantity of this product is 125 ml, and I paid 149 rupees after discount for this one. So let's see what is the next product. And next thing, I bought these pretty nail wear from Nykaa and Color Bar, and the first one is Nykaa Unicorn Potion Nail Color, and the shade number is Frosted Fairy 239. And as you can see, I'm wearing this nail paint right now, and I can say this color is really pretty. And after discount, I paid 190 rupees for this one. And second one is Nykaa Cookie Crumble Nail Paint, and I bought one from Cookie series for the first time, and the shade number is Raspberry Crumb 255, which is so pretty. And I have also posted a look pic of this nail wear on Instagram. If you want, you can go to my Instagram profile and check it out. And this nail paint is also very pretty. And third one, I bought a black nail paint from Color Bar, and the shade number is 76 Black Maze. And seriously guys, every shade of nail paint from this brand is so good, and I paid 290 rupees for this nail paint. So let's see what I got next. So next thing is I bought a lip balm from Nykaa, and this is the packaging, and the packaging is just like a cookie, as you can see. Just look at the packaging, this is so pretty, na? And the smell is like a chocolate. This is so good. Guys, I'm using this lip balm for the first time. Basically, I use a lip balm from the Body Shop, and I am very satisfied about that product because that gives me all I want. So guys, next and last thing is these two lipstick from Maybelline New York, which is a creamy matte, and the shade number of first one is 657 Nude Nose. I'm going to show you the swatches also. And this is the color, and this is so gorgeous, guys. Let's check it out. Next one, and the shade number of second one is 695 Divine Vine, and the color is so gorgeous. I mean, just have a look. Wow. And this is the exactly color for what I was looking for. These two shades are so gorgeous. I mean, a must-have one for everyone. So this is all about my Nykaa purchase, and let's see what I got as a birthday gift. And they have sent me this pretty makeup pouch, which is so good. So why I got this product? Actually, if you purchase something from Nykaa during your birthday month, they send you a free birthday gift like this, and I got the similar pouch like this last year too on my birthday. So I'm very happy. Guys, I can see Nykaa is a very good site to purchase makeup and grooming stuff, and except few things, I'm satisfied about my all purchase. So this is all about my birthday shopping, and I hope you like this video. And thanks for watching Happy Mommy Vlogs. So stay happy, Happy Mommy Vlogs. Bye bye.